Hey everybody, Mr. Blicky here again. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook. There's a couple ways you can do it. One way, the first way I'll show you is how you can capture everything that's on your screen. It'll capture your windows, each tab, everything that you can see in your screen will be in this picture. So the way to do that is to hold the control button here that's in the bottom left-hand corner, and this button here, it's called the Show Windows button. It's above the number 6. When you hold the control and the Show Windows button, it will take a picture of everything. And this image will show up in your drive. And we'll go to your drive in just a minute, and I'll show you how to find it. The other way is if you wanted to take just a portion of your screen, not the whole thing, but just a small section of it. You will hold the control and the shift button at the same time, as well as that show window. So let's say that your teacher asked you to create a shape, a figure that had a area of 8 square units, and you created this, and you'd like to take a picture of it to show some evidence to your teacher. You'll hit Shift Control, the Show Windows button. Your screen will gray a little bit, and then with your cursor, you should have a hash mark, which I am not seeing. See if I can do it with my stylus. All right, I'm going to use my stylus. Hover over it, and then you can capture just a small section, and that again is going to go into your drive. Or maybe you got a high score on a game and you wanted to share that with your friend. Shift Control, Show Windows, select the section of the screen, and there it goes into your drive again. So to find those, you go to My Drive, and they should be organized by date here. So you'll want to rename them. So if you select this, and this, you're going to send it to your teacher. You want to go over to the snowman, and you can rename this area and your name. And then when your teacher receives it, she knows who it came from. And that is how to do a screenshot and a screen capture.